Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Edu Everybody. Let's experience the education. So in the last couple of videos we have gone through the tag and multiple things now, and we have implemented all of them. Now after implementing all of them, there is a one thing have been remain regarding the tag, that is the inline and block level element. So what it means? It means that every HTML element have a default display. Depending upon what type of element we are using, there are two type of display, block and inline. So first one is block level element, and block level element always start on a new line and the browser automatically adds some spaces before and after the element. A block level element always take up the full width available. Okay, so there are two common block level element that we are using, that is a paragraph and a div tag, and inline element is a reverse of it. Okay, so it takes space only the content it have. Okay, so it does not start on a new line and it take up the space as much as it necessary. So with the example, so inline and block level element, and in the last couple of videos we have gone through the many tags. So let's take some of them and implement it. So let's first understand the paragraph tag and the span tag. So if I take here para and if I write here edu everybody, click on the go live server. So as you can see, let me write the style as well. So here in the first videos we have gone through that inside the head tag we can also write the style tag, so for applying the CSS. So here if I am applying the CSS, so we will learn later about the how we can apply the inline, external and internal CSS, but right now I am just letting you know that how we can understand that whether a particular element is taking the full width or it is taking only the width as much as the content it has. So I am giving it the border is 1 pixel solid red. Okay, now if we go, so as you can see it is taking the complete width. So this is the block level element. If you take the pre, and if I'm copying and writing the same content, and here I am writing the pre here also, and as you can see it is also taking some spaces and it has a default margin. If you click, so we will learn later about this, what is the developer tool, but right now as you can see if we click on them, so there are some margin before and after. So that's the difference between the inline and the block tag, that block level has a default margin and it takes up the complete width, but the inline element does not take the complete 100% width and it does not have the default margin as well, and not even the padding. So let's implement some more. So here I am writing the block code. So let's implement block code hi to Betty. So as you can see that this is also taking the complete 100%, and then we have gone through the site. So it is the inline element, so this will be inside the inline. So this is the inline element. So we have gone through the block code, then we have gone to the queue. So queue, so queue is also the inline element. How we will get to know? As you can see, the both are not starting on a new line and it is not taking the 100% width. So we have gone to the block, queue, abbreviation and address. Let's understand the abbreviation. Title is Java. So it is also not taking the complete 100% width. So let's write here as everywhere. Then address. So I think address will, because as we have gone through, it takes, as you can see, this is taking the complete 100% because we have already read that it always add a line after and before. Now let's understand the BDO as well. So BDO, so direction left to right. So this is also the inline element. It is not taking the complete 100% space. It is not even starting on a new line. I hope you are clear with many of them. You can take any one of them, like the input tag. We have gone before the input tag. Take some input tag. So input, let's take the button. So here I'm taking the button. Input checkbox. Both are starting on the same line. So this is also the inline element. I hope you are clear what is inline and block level element. Block level element always takes the complete 100% width and it has some default margin. But inline element does not take the complete 100%. It takes only space as it necessary and it does not start on a new line. It is clear to you guys. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.